Hello guys, how are you? As you can see my chicks, I separate them for their exercise and hunting for the bugs program. Look at this. These are the separate room I organized for them, and I planted some vegetables for them. Now they're hunting for bugs and veggies. Look at these chicks. They are enjoying so much. So this is the how you grow your chicks as organic chicks. Look at them in a farm. And that's her mom, their mom. Look at, she is the mom there. And they have a separate room, but chicks can pass through easily from that fence, so they can come themselves only, and they can enjoy. Look at them how they enjoy it. Beautiful. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, ah, ah. Look at them. Ah, 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 ah. If you want to grow your chicks as organic chicks, you can develop a separate fence like this and plant some seeds, some wheat or mustard or anything seeds, and and organize for the separate room, and they will love it. They will become so nice and healthy chicks. And it's good for quality, product. Very nice. Also, these vegetables is for my chicks. As they grow more bigger, I bring them to the chicks. Especially this one, they love it. They love chicks, love chicken, loves. Beautiful. Ah, 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 ah. Ah. Ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah. See how she feed her chicks? Look at them. They love mustard plant. We got different type of breeds in our farm. Beautiful. They are silky, they are black chicks, they are black skin, they are red horn. Beautiful, all mixed. And I got some pheasants. Ah, ah, ah. The pheasants inside, as you see, a little bit. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Enjoy, keep watching, and enjoy the chicks. Enjoy the farm.